Papa Kits jet skis. This is Liloan, Cebu, Philippines. So I'm at Papa Kits, and you can rent jet skis. It's a little bit expensive, 1,700 pesos for a half an hour. I guess you could argue it's not expensive. It's probably cheap compared to the United States. It's around $25 for a half an hour. And the jet skis are really good. They're not the cheap ones. I went and took a good look at them. They're very big, very powerful. You can easily ride with 3 passengers. The waves are always low. You know, the water is pretty calm, so you get a nice smooth ride. I've seen 5 or 6 jet skis out at the same time. I would say, you know, they don't do 15 minutes. You got to do 30 minutes minimum, and it's kind of a lot of time considering it's so small.